When I have potatoes at home, this is the recipe I make. I can't resist. It's more delicious than meat. Let's start our recipe by adding 40 grams of diced potatoes to the pan. Then, add hot water until all the potatoes are covered. I'm using the hot water to speed up the cooking process. Then, add a spoonful of salt. Mix. Once this is done, cover and let it cook very well. As soon as the potatoes are cooked, drain the water and add it to another container. Once this is done, mash the potatoes very well until they become a puree. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. After you make this recipe, you won't want to eat potatoes any other way. They're delicious, quick, and easy to make. I can't resist. And it will stay that way. Now, I'm going to add 5 sausages cut into very small pieces. Then, I'm going to add 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Also add 3 chopped chives. Now mix everything very well. That's it. Now, add a cup of cornstarch. Mix everything well again until it's all combined. If you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about the city you're watching from. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. Okay, it's perfect. Now, let's shape the balls with our hands. You can make them in whatever size you prefer. Just shape them all like this, and they'll look like this. Add them to a plate, then just repeat the same process with the rest of the potatoes. And here they are already, they'll look like this. Now just add them to the hot oil. Let them fry on one side, then turn them over to fry on the other side. If you haven't eaten potatoes made this way yet, you need to. They're wonderful. This is the kind of recipe that you can't miss for an afternoon snack. After I discovered this recipe, I just want to eat potatoes like this. Oh, and tell me in the comments how you prepare potatoes at home. I'd love to know your recipe. That's it, the potatoes are all fried. Now just remove them and place them on a plate with paper towels. And if you got this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. What rating would you give this recipe? Now just let the potatoes cool and serve. Look how wonderful they turned out. Honestly, I can't resist. I really hope you liked it. I'll leave it here. A big hug and until the next recipe.